Hey everyone, Dr. Zach Greenwade here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going over moderate exercises for your glutes. So in this video, the first exercise we're going to do is a single leg glute bridge. You're going to take your heel and bring it as close to your buttocks as you can, lift the other leg off the ground, and then drive up with your hip and your glute towards the ceiling in a nice slow and controlled manner. We'll do 6 reps in this position. Again, trying to feel the tension in your glute and not your hamstrings or your low back. A helpful cue is trying to keep your ribs down as you drive up and not letting your back arch or your ribs kind of flare up anteriorly. One more in this position. And then we're going to switch legs, bring your left heel close, bring your right leg up, keep the ribs down, drive up with your left glute and down. We'll do 6 reps in this position. Again, try to minimize any tension in your hamstrings or your low back and keeping those ribs down. 2 more. All right, from there we'll need a small step or stool. And we're going to do Bulgarian split squats. So you're going to put the stool one leg behind you, keeping your foot underneath your hip, and sink down into that hip and stand up. Again, since we're trying to emphasize the glute, we want to feel it more in the hip and the glute than the quad or the knee. We'll do 6 in this position. Switch legs, again, keeping that foot close under you. Squat down, up, trying to keep a vertical torso as much as you can and minimize any forward bending. Again, trying to emphasize the glute. And then from there, we'll do a step up. Now this time you do want to lean forward. So you're going to put your foot, you're going to lean forward and then drive up with your hip, not your quad. One more. And again, we'll do the right leg. So again, foot here, lean forward, drive up with that glute, minimizing any tension in your quad or low back, and try to push off with the leg on the stool and minimize any on the other leg.